It's okay if you're doubting yourself. It really is okay. I think one of the greatest lies of our modern time and one of the greatest lies of this generation is this idea that nobody ever doubts themselves, that this imposter syndrome is only for the select few, but actually the high achievers don't suffer from it. The truth of it is that most high achievers are high achievers precisely because they doubt themselves. They are high achievers precisely because they don't feel like they're competent or worthy or good enough to be in the room. They are high achievers precisely because they think everybody else is better than them. And so they prepare more, they work harder, they commit more time. I think that's just the nature of achievers.
Now it's time for the boy, but no more. Cause I'm coming for the all, let them know. Now he coming for the door, yeah, I'm tripping. She stuff I wish you wore, yeah, don't try me good thing. Yeah, I'm sleeping when I'm sleeping on this lean. Yeah, no plans on my pocket, but I'm smoking like a fiend. Yeah, I swear I be the key, and I got it on my jean. Yeah, them haters, they won't believe on it, yeah, for sure. They double carbon, some of the night. Kind of just I ain't closing my eyes. I need a dollar, I'm full of the mind. Shiny sport, with more apart. What you been talking about? I believe everything happened for a reason. Got no self, won't get you none. I'm a last man standing. Flex my fears. I am the man and I'm swapping no tears. Flying the pressure in all of my peers. Boys lose lamb, I hope this year's more. Now it's time for the boy, but no more. Cause I'm coming for the all, let them know. Now he coming for the door, yeah, I'm tripping. She stuff I wish you wore, yeah, don't try me good thing. Yeah, I'm sleeping when I'm sleeping on this lean. Yeah, no plans on my pocket, but I'm smoking like a fiend. Yeah, I swear I be the key, and I got it on my jean. Yeah, them haters, they won't believe on it, yeah, for sure.